How to buy Trog token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in a project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMarketCap. Now go and find it there. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And as you can see, this token address came under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. For that I would use Bitget wallet. Select the Ethereum network from here and click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this warning alerts and read about this. Now if you are ready to go, just click on confirm. And after that, click on this plus icon. Go back to your wallets and find your token here that you just had it. So this is our token. Click on it. Now click on swap here. Switch from here. On the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, click on buy. And you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Trog token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.